Have you ever felt overwhelmed with so many tasks, and it seems like there's never enough time? Imagine if you could do everything in less time and still have free moments for yourself. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's possible, and that I'm going to show you exactly how to do it today? Get ready to transform your productivity and your life. Have you ever woken up and felt that the day was just beginning, but you were already tired before even starting your tasks? Or worse, have you reached the end of the day wondering where all those hours went? I know how it feels. I've been there too. And what if I told you there's a way to change that completely? Imagine starting your day with energy, focusing on the most important tasks, and still having time left for what you really enjoy. Sounds impossible? Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you practical strategies that you can implement right now to transform your productivity and your life. It's not magic, it's science, and you'll see how it's possible to do more in less time. This video is especially for you if you feel like you're constantly fighting against time. You might be a student who needs to balance classes, studies, and social life. Or maybe you're a professional who's swamped with meetings and deadlines, feeling like there's never enough time to get everything done. And if you're an entrepreneur, you know how challenging it is to manage all aspects of your business while still finding time to innovate and grow. Regardless of your situation, the productivity strategies I'm going to share are universal and adaptable to any routine. Imagine being able to accomplish more tasks in less time, with less stress and more efficiency. This is not just a competitive advantage, it's a life-changing shift. Stay with me because this video will teach you exactly how to do it. Let's be honest, we've all felt that pressure of being constantly busy, but at the end of the day, it seems like we haven't done anything meaningful. That frustration of seeing your to-do list grow longer and wondering if you'll ever be able to catch up. This not only affects your work performance, but it also impacts your personal life, your relationships, and even your mental health. Stress builds up, you feel constantly tired, and over time your motivation fades away. The feeling of always racing against the clock can be devastating. But what if I told you there's a way to break out of this vicious cycle? That with a few simple and effective changes, you can not only increase your productivity, but also find more balance and time for the things that really matter in your life? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Get ready to discover how to transform your routine and achieve more with less effort. Let's get straight to the point. How can you be more productive and get more done in less time? Here are some proven strategies. Pomodoro Technique. Let's delve deeper into the Pomodoro Technique. It was developed by the Italian Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. Cirillo used a kitchen timer shaped like a tomato, hence the name Pomodoro. This technique is powerful because it creates a sense of urgency and limits the time you have to complete a task, forcing you to work more efficiently. By working for 25 minutes, you fully focus on the task, and the 5-minute break helps refresh your mind, preventing fatigue. Studies show that our brain handles tasks better when we have regular intervals. And after 4 work sessions, a longer break allows for full mental recovery. Try using a physical timer or an app like Focus Booster to help implement this technique. Prioritize your tasks. Let's talk about the Eisenhower Matrix, a tool used by Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States. He believed that what is important is rarely urgent, and what is urgent is rarely important. The matrix is divided into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, do immediately; important but not urgent, schedule to do later; urgent but not important, delegate to someone else; neither urgent nor important, eliminate. By categorizing your tasks this way, you can focus on what truly matters. For example, responding to emails may seem urgent, but it's often not important. On the other hand, planning a long-term project is important, but may not be urgent. This method helps you prioritize effectively, ensuring that your time and energy are spent on tasks that contribute most to your goals. Time blocking. Time blocking is a technique used by many successful professionals, including Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk. He divides his day into 5-minute blocks to ensure he doesn't waste any time. This technique helps avoid interruptions and allows you to focus entirely on the task at hand. Use tools like Google Calendar or apps like Time Block to help organize your day. Start by reserving time blocks for critical tasks early in the day when your energy is at its peak, and schedule time for breaks and administrative tasks towards the end of the day. This approach ensures that you tackle your most important tasks when you're most alert and have dedicated time for less demanding activities later. Say no. Learning to say no is a crucial skill. Often we take on too many commitments and end up overwhelmed. Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, said, "The secret to success is learning to say no. This doesn't mean being rude or inflexible, but being selective with your commitments. When you say no to something non-essential, you are saying yes to what truly matters. Practice the art of saying no with kindness and firmness." Automation and tools. Automation can save hours of repetitive work. Tools like Zapier and IFTTT allow you to connect different apps and automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can set up a Zap to add new emails directly to your task list in Trello. Task management apps like Todoist help organize your daily, weekly, and monthly tasks and can be synced with your calendar. This allows you to see all your responsibilities in one place, making it easier to manage your time and stay on top of your tasks. Pareto Principle, 80-20 rule. The Pareto Principle, or the 80-20 rule, states that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. This means that by identifying and focusing on the tasks that truly matter, you can maximize your efficiency. For example, if you're an entrepreneur, you might find that 80% of your revenue comes from 20% of your products or clients. Focusing on these critical 20% can significantly boost your productivity and results. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness are not just trendy buzzwords. They are evidence-based practices that improve productivity. A study published in the Journal of Occupational Health Psychology found that daily meditation can increase concentration and reduce stress. Dedicate a few minutes of your day to a mindfulness practice, such as guided meditation. Apps like Headspace and Calm offer short meditation sessions that can be done anywhere. These practices help clear your mind, improve focus, and reduce the mental clutter that hinders productivity. Effective delegation. Delegating tasks can be challenging, especially if you're used to doing everything yourself. However, effective delegation is an essential skill for increasing productivity. Identify tasks that can be performed by others and delegate them clearly. This not only frees up your time, but also develops the skills of your team. Use tools like Asana or Trello to track delegated tasks and ensure everything stays on track. Clear communication and follow-up are key to successful delegation. These strategies aren't just random tips taken from the internet. They are based on scientific research and successful practices used by the world's top leaders. For example, a study conducted by Stanford University found that the Pomodoro Technique can increase productivity by up to 25%. This is because working in focused time blocks with regular intervals helps prevent mental fatigue and keeps the brain more alert. Additionally, time blocking is a common practice among successful CEOs and entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Bill Gates. Elon Musk, known for his incredibly busy schedule, divides his day into 5-minute blocks to ensure every moment is used efficiently. Bill Gates also uses time blocking to prioritize important tasks and avoid distractions. When you apply proven methods used by the world's top leaders, you know you're on the right path. These techniques are based on years of research and practice and can transform the way you work. Imagine if you could have all these strategies detailed and many more in a single comprehensive guide. A resource you can consult whenever needed, packed with practical tips, real-life examples, and step-by-step instructions to help you implement each technique in your daily life. This guide wouldn't just show you how to increase your productivity, it would also provide you with tools to measure your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Think about the difference this would make in your daily routine. You would have a clear and effective plan to be more productive, achieve your goals faster, and still have time for the things you love. This guide would be a true game changer. A unique opportunity to transform your life and your results. And the best part? You don't have to wait long to get access to it. Stay tuned because soon I'll show you how you can get this incredible resource. Think about the impact a mere 10% increase in your productivity could have on your life. You could complete your tasks more quickly, have more time for personal projects, and even spend more time with your family and friends. Now, imagine boosting that productivity by 20%, 30%, or even more. With the right strategies, this transformation is possible. You could not only achieve your goals faster, but also improve the quality of your work and find a better balance between your professional and personal life. These strategies allow you to work smarter, not harder, saving time and energy. This knowledge is invaluable because it's not just about being more productive. It's about living a more balanced and fulfilling life. And the best part is that this knowledge is within your reach. With our guide, you'll have all the tools and strategies you need to make this change happen. It's not just me saying this. Hundreds of people around the world have already applied these techniques and seen incredible results. Let's hear some real testimonials from people who transformed their lives by following these strategies. I always felt overwhelmed with my work and never had time for myself. After implementing the Pomodoro Technique and time blocking, my productivity skyrocketed. Now I can complete my most important tasks before noon and have the afternoon free for personal projects. Jane B. As a student, I struggled to balance my time between classes, studying, and social life. The Eisenhower Matrix helped me prioritize my tasks efficiently. My academic performance improved, and I can hang out with my friends without feeling guilty. Mike L. I was an entrepreneur constantly putting out fires, with no time to plan the growth of my business. With automation tools and effective delegation, I freed up my time and focused on expansion strategies. My business has never been better. Susan M. These are just a few examples of how these techniques can change lives. They are ordinary people, like you, who decided to implement simple changes and reap the benefits daily. If they could do it, so can you. Don't put off until tomorrow what you can start improving today. Every day you delay implementing these strategies is a day of lost productivity potential. Think about it. With each passing day, you could be closer to achieving your goals and living a more balanced and fulfilling life. The longer you wait, the more you lose in terms of time and opportunities. Imagine where you could be in a week, a month, or a year if you started applying these techniques now. And what if I told you that you could start seeing significant results in just a few days? Change begins with the decision to act. So, don't waste any more time. Start now and take the first step to transform your productivity and your life. And to help you even more on this journey, we've prepared an exclusive ebook packed with all these tips and much more. This isn't just an ordinary guide. It's a comprehensive resource full of insights and detailed strategies that you can apply immediately. Besides the techniques we discussed today, you'll find additional methods to maximize your efficiency, recommended tools, case studies, and practical examples for every situation. This ebook is designed to be a true companion on your journey to maximum productivity. Don't miss this unique opportunity to transform your life. Click the link in the description and download it right now. Don't wait any longer. Start the change today. Productivity is not just about doing more things, but about doing the right things efficiently. The difference between being busy and being productive lies in the choices you make every day. With the tips I shared today and our ebook, you will be equipped with all the necessary tools to transform your routine, eliminate procrastination, and focus on what really matters. Remember, time is your most valuable resource. Use it wisely to live a more balanced life, achieve your goals, and have time for the things you love. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget, click the link in the description and get your copy of the ebook to start the change today.